guys, welcome back to Sister Rev Life in California, and today we are making simple and easy bhunagosht. For this, you are going to need mutton, onion sliced, tomato, 2 tomatoes diced, half cup of yogurt, and 1 teaspoon of each, ginger garlic paste, red chili powder, coriander, turmeric, cumin, garlic, green cardamom, and black pepper. And then we're also going to need salt as required, and garam masala. Heat the oil and add onions and cook the onions until they're golden brown. Now that our onions are golden brown, we're going to add the tomatoes. Fry the tomatoes for a few minutes, then add all the spices, including ginger garlic paste. After adding all the spices and frying for a few minutes, add the meat. Fry until the meat changes its color. Now add the yogurt. After 5 minutes, add 2 cups of water and let it cook until the meat is tender. As you can see, our meat is tender and our oil has separated, and you can garnish it with cilantro and ginger. Our bhunagosht is ready, and we are serving it with butter naan. I hope you like this recipe. Please do try it out. It's very simple and easy to make. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn post notifications.